Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to enable the Watch and Earn option in the TikTok app. First, it is important to understand that this feature is not available in all regions. TikTok is still testing this feature, so they are not rolling it out to everyone yet. Because of this, some users may see the Watch and Earn option while others may not see it at all. If the feature is available in your region and for your account, you will be able to find it in the app settings. To check this, open TikTok on your phone and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. Once the Settings and Privacy page opens, scroll through the options and look for a section labeled Rewards or Watch and Earn. If you are in a supported region and the feature is available for your account, you will see it there. Tap on that option and follow the instructions shown on the screen. If you cannot find the option, it may mean the feature is not available for your account yet. Since it is still in testing, you may simply need to wait until TikTok rolls it out to more users. You can also check with support. Go to Settings and Privacy and scroll down until you find the Help Center option. Tap on it, then choose the option called Chat with Us. In the chat, ask them how to enable the Watch and Earn feature. They will let you know whether it is available for your account or not. Thanks for watching.